Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the operation failed error message 0x0000011b you are facing on your Windows computer guys, where attempting to connect network printers from different remote computers. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Right click on it, select run as administrator, select yes. Now in registry you need to go to H key local machine, go to system, expand it, and expand the current control set, and expand the control and search for print, print. Here we get print folder. After clicking on it, you just need to check my video file path location guys. I will zoom in my video. After checking it, on right side you just need to right click on the blank area, select new, select devote 32-bit value, name this value as R caps letter guys, RPC, A caps letter AUTHN, level L caps letter guys, LEVEL, privacy P caps letter guys, PRIVACY, privacy enabled AE caps letter guys, ENABLED, enabled. After typing it, you just need to press enter guys, double click on it, and you just need to check whether the value data is 0 in here. After checking it, click OK. Go back guys, go back and close out of here, go to search menu and type services, open it. In services you need to search for print spooler service guys, print spooler service, print spooler, right click on it, select restart. After restarting, close out of here and restart your PC for changes take effect guys. And after restarting your PC, try to attempt the network printer, connect to network printer. Again, you will definitely get resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys.